Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an extremely fast, under 1.5 minutes, STARLESS, fully automatic, 20 skip reborn setup. Now, this setup is really awesome, and I'm not going to lie, you guys need to be a highlight for this. You're not going to be making this at 1K. I'm at 68K, but, I'd say you want to be pretty high to make a setup like this. But let's go through it, and then I'll show you guys how much you get from it. So basically, the mine I'm using is the Havia mine. The Havia mine placed like this, so it drops down into there. I don't have it placed right now, just so the whole setup isn't running constantly. But it goes through here. I have an Azure Purifier under the platform, which actually the upgrader goes through. It goes through a circus cannon, and if you have a hydraulic placed above the cannon like this, it'll make the ore go really, really fast through the setup. I have it going through two Sarbombas with some ions, into a teleporter, into another circus cannon, into another line of upgraders, then into another circus cannon, into another line of upgraders. You guys get the point. And one more line right here. I'm using the new Superstitious, Falcon's Wrath. It's pretty good. It's times 300 if you power it with coal on the top. But yeah, it goes through my resetters. I'm using the Void Star. And yeah, so my Void line, this is very, very chunky. So basically what this is I have the Void line, and I have a row of big bad blasters with Midas blasters behind them. Now I have my most recent video beside this one is a tutorial on how to get the Midas blaster, because it was kind of weird to get it, but nevertheless, the blaster is actually really big, and it goes all the way through that. So yeah, guys, that's kind of it. I do need to make some minor adjustments, like I need to remove the nebulas and stuff, but let's reborn. Obviously, the time that we get right here is not going to be the real time, so right after I reborn, we're going to do this again and get even more money. Load in my first setup. Load in my second setup. My first setup is pretty much my money making and infuser setup. I'll remove everything from the first setup there. But just look how fast it goes through the setup, guys. I'm going to remove the mine just to increase the time, make it so it's a little less laggy. But it's just ridiculous how OP the circus cannon is. I really hope it's not nerfed. Alright, let's open up this, and let's get ready to reborn. I'm almost 69k, which is pretty nice. And alright, there's 3 lives. We just gotta wait for the ores to go through one more time, and then we will be good to go. By the way, guys, I completely made this setup up myself. I did not copy it from anybody. 1.25 minutes, guys. That's under 100 seconds. For a reborn setup that skips 20 lives, almost guaranteed. Actually, yeah, basically is guaranteed. That is absolutely nuts. The last time I tested it was actually in a VIP server with my friends, and a lot of them had pretty big setups. So it definitely does make a huge difference if you're playing on a solo versus with a VIP with friends, or a public server, really. Because I was averaging about 1.5 minutes on my VIP server with my friends, but I just got 1:25 on that. That actually translates to 1:15 seconds. 1.25 of a minute is actually 1:15 seconds. But we'll do it again, just to show you guys that it does work. I can actually leave my first layout stuff here. It doesn't change anything in the setup. originally I had some more upgraders over here, and that actually allowed me to get infinite money. But for a reborn setup, I just removed those ones because it was giving me more than enough. Boom. Easy 20 skip reborn setup, guys. I'm very proud of myself because this is honestly, this is such a great setup. But yeah, guys, definitely if you have the circus cannon, I totally forgot to mention how you get it. You can't get it right now. It was an old artifact. Artifacts come out Black Friday, and this one was from like 2018. But yeah, guys, that is my that's my god setup right here. Hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Also, another thing is I got the Grand Banana, which is pretty cool. But I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. They're pretty much amazing, but I think we should reborn one more time, just to see what we get. Life 69k, which is pretty awesome. Alright, almost ready. Any second now, hopefully. I left the mine there, which means it'll be a little bit laggier, so we probably won't get as good of a time. Alrighty, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. That wasn't as good, but we did a lot better the other times. Hope you guys did enjoy. That is everything. Peace.